Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the medium gas canister in Astroneer. This handy item is essential for managing your refined gases. It's designed to hold one type of atmospheric gas, storing up to 75 units. You can easily connect it to a gas centrifuge or an atmospheric condenser to begin filling it up. Let's dive into how to get and use these valuable storage solutions. To get started, you'll need to craft a medium gas canister. This requires just two common resources, one plastic and one glass. Head over to your small printer, place the materials inside, and initiate the crafting process. Remember, plastic is refined from organic and compound, while glass comes from quartz. Gathering these resources is your first step to efficient gas storage. Once you have your canister, filling it is straightforward. Simply place the empty medium gas canister onto a gas centrifuge. Then, select the atmospheric gas you want to refine, and the centrifuge will automatically begin filling it. Alternatively, you can attach the canister directly to an atmospheric condenser to collect gas from the environment. It's a seamless process to get your gases stored. With your medium gas canister full, you're ready to use its contents. Place the filled canister on any crafting station, like a chemical lab, that requires the stored gas for a recipe. The gas will be automatically drawn and consumed as needed. The best part is that once empty, these canisters are completely reusable, making them a sustainable solution for all your gas storage needs in Astroneer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.